Welcome. Today we will learn how to build a second brain. A second brain helps you remember important things, organize your ideas, and make better decisions. It is a system to store and manage your knowledge outside your head. Step 1. Choose a digital tool first. Pick a digital tool where you will keep your second brain. It can be apps like Notion, Evernote, OneNote, or simple folders on your computer. Choose what feels easy and comfortable for you. Step 2. Capture everything. Whenever you learn something new or get a good idea, save it immediately. This can be notes, articles, pictures, videos, or links. Don't rely on memory. Collect all useful information in your tool. Step 3. Organize information. Organize your notes in a way that makes sense to you. Use folders, tags, or categories. For example, create sections like work, personal, books, or projects. Clear organization helps you find things fast. Step 4. Connect your ideas. Try to link related notes or ideas. For example, if you have a note about time management and another about productivity, connect them. This way your second brain becomes smarter and more useful over time. Step 5. Review and update regularly. Make it a habit to review your notes every week or month. Delete what is not useful and update information when needed. Regular review keeps your second brain fresh and relevant. Step 6. Use your second brain daily. Use your second brain to plan tasks, solve problems, or create new projects. The more you use it, the better it works for you. It becomes a trusted partner for your thinking. Benefits of a second brain. A second brain helps reduce stress because you don't have to remember everything. It improves creativity by connecting ideas you might forget. It also saves time by organizing your knowledge in one place. Summary. To build a second brain, choose a digital tool. Capture everything important. Organize notes clearly. Connect ideas. Review regularly. Use it daily. Start today and see how your productivity and creativity grow. Your second brain will help you work smarter and live better. Thank you for watching.